Hello and welcome to the tutorial for CereVoice Me from CereProc. CereVoice Me is an online voice cloning tool which allows you to use it on your own home computer. To use the CereVoice Me tool, we recommend using the fully validated Google Chrome web browser, but CereVoice Me will work on other browsers. Go to cereproc.com, then your user page and select the CereVoice Me tab. We recommend that you find a quiet room to use when recording, as background noise may interfere with voice generation. Once you have opened the CereVoice Me tool, you should use the headset provided to you from CereProc to record. Make sure the microphone is above or below your mouth, as the energy of your voice may interfere with the recording. The software will then instruct you to record the room's sounds. Please remain quiet for this step. You will be asked to go through 3 test sentences to get used to using the software. Then another 10 training sentences that CereProc will check to confirm that your voice recording is working perfectly. Once CereProc has confirmed that the recording environment and audio is acceptable, you may continue to record. When you have completed the recordings, you may close the tool and wait for the email from CereProc with your new CereVoice. Your CereVoice is available for use on Mac OS or Windows. I am a digital CereVoice, and by following these steps, you too can create one that sounds as good as me. Thank you for watching.